Look at this thing.
What's up, Bobby?
What up? Are they gonna fly this out of here?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna leave it here all night.
You gonna fly this, or who's
I'm
the
not
pilot?
that lucky yet. I'm not that lucky. Those two gentlemen right there are the pilots.
How much longer till they leave?
They're taking off in the next 5 minutes or so.
5 minutes?
Yeah, so what I'll do is when they take off, you gotta go next to the ambulance. I mean, the fire truck, all right?
What if I go over that way?
Oh, that's fine too. Is that your bicycle?
Yes.
Yeah, I would move it because there's gonna be a lot of wind blowing out.
Word,
Yeah,
I
so
love
you
that
gotta-
one.
you gotta back up way over here.
It could cool us off.
Oh, you can't do that. You gotta be far away.
All you need is the shampoo and conditioner, and then you got a shower.
Over there you do.
So within 5 minutes?
Yeah, they're taking off once they get everything situated.
Now, what barracks is this located out of?
Came out of Lawrence.
Lawrence, Mass, huh?
Came out of Lawrence, so man, we got a little commute.
We got about 5 minutes for this thing to take off. You the pilot?
Yeah.
Badass.
Can't believe they let me fly, but yeah, I try.
I would love to go for a ride in it.
It's fun.
Are you are we able to do that, or?
Yeah, so I just did what everyone else does. I took the state police test and joined the state police, and then when this opened up, I put in for it.
No, he's not able to fly, people.
Oh, he
Well, I can't. You just got to take the state police test to get on the job.
Only people on the job can get to fly.
Come on,
I've only gotten one.
Come on,
so far.
one test.
Come on, it would be a good ass YouTube video of me up in the state police helicopter.
Maybe on my,
How about this? I'll
maybe on
go
my
up with
last-
him and take your phone. I'll make the video for you.
maybe on my last day before I retire, maybe. How about that?
Can I get your name?
Right here, yep. I can't even try to say it because you'll never, you got it?
I don't want to.
People butcher it.
Exactly. What is it?
Jeremini.
Jeremini?
Yep.
Can I get your name? As he walks away, I don't.
You know, it's funny, Walker. That's his last name, yeah.
Walker?
Yeah. I'm making that up. I'm not making it up.
So you're getting ready to leave in a couple minutes?
Yep.
I'm gonna back up there. I'm gonna
Yeah,
get
so
you
if
guys.
you want to actually go this way, because I think we're going to go this way. So it's better to have no one on this side.
So I'll go.
Yeah, just on that. If you stay on that side of the helicopter, we're going to take off probably that way. And then we'll come back. We usually just do a pass. So once we go, we'll circle back around to like a high-speed pass.
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, man.
Hell yeah.
Thanks for coming over.
This will be on YouTube, Cape Cod Cop Watcher.
Okay. Awesome.
Oh, check it out.
All right, man. Thanks for coming over.
You're welcome. Yeah, thank you for doing this for the kids. Yeah, it's good to get the kids out.
Yeah, we love doing it.
Yeah. So in a little bit, we're gonna have a helicopter take off. Yeah. Peace. Be back. We're gonna watch that fly off. Was it a good day?
So far.
That's good. It's good to see all the kids out doing this instead of being on like phones and yeah. This is the stuff we used to love when we were kids. Good to see it though. Yeah, this is what we need.
Yeah, right.
It brings the community back together.
It does, yeah. All right, man.
All right, thank you. You all have a good one. This is kids' day. And they had we got some yellow ducklings over there. There's a copper picking up trash, picking up the trash. Yeah, we're gonna get it going like this. I'm gonna get closer. I don't care. I'm gonna film it right from this position where we at. Yeah, yeah. Here you go, folks. I ran into this, by the way. I wasn't expecting this. But here you go. Sorry about the jumpiness. Massachusetts State Police helicopter out of Lawrence, Mass. Like always, I'm trying to push it to the limit. Hello. How you doing? I'm doing all right. Was it a good day? That's good. Good to get the kids out.
Yeah.
They're not playing on their video games or phones.
Yeah.
Stuff we used to do. got all kinds of cool animals. She has many pets. I said you have many pets. I think they're awesome. That blade is spinning so fast, it looks like it's not even spinning that fast on here. There they go. There you go. They said they make a pass back by. We'll see. We'll see. Stay tuned. If not, I'll just end it. All this is going to be posted. There's the helicopter.
It's in the siren.
There's the helicopter for Massachusetts State Police out of Lawrence, Mass. Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, fire
Yeah.
dog. Say Cape Cod.
Cape Cod Cop watches out. Peace.